Hi everyone, this is Ben from lightsandgear.com. What I have for you today here is one of the lights in the Sunwayman family. This is actually the C15A. It's a nice little compact flashlight, which is only about 4 inches long. It runs on a standard AA battery, which you can pick up anywhere. It's not one of the higher priced lights available out there because it does run on a AA, and it's a good standard flashlight for anybody that needs something that can fit in the pocket or purse and is good for just about any lighting situation you might come up against. Anyway, this is the Sunwayman C15A on a standard alkaline battery. You'll get 170 lumens on high, not too shabby, and a low of 3 lumens. On the mid-range, of which there are three power levels, so on the mid-range you'll get about 30 lumens. It comes here in a nice little box, of course, and in that box you'll get a nice carrying case, a nice pouch for your belt, if you will, and a couple of accessories. And now what this light also does, as far as, in addition to operating on the AA, it'll also take an NIMH battery, one of the rechargeable batteries, so you don't have to toss these away, you just recharge them. And it will also run on a lithium battery if you want it to. This right here, if we can get Mr. Camera to focus, is a 14500 lithium battery. It looks exactly like a AA, and it looks exactly like an NIMH. They're all the same size. So that's why this particular light will take all 3 of these particular batteries. You will get a brighter light with the lithium battery, whereas you have 170 with the alkaline. You'll get roughly around 300 lumens with this battery, and you'll still get the 3 levels of light incrementally. They won't be as, I think it's probably about 8 lumens on low. That's basically where it's supposed to be anyway. But I mean, 3 lumens on low with a alkaline, and about 8 lumens on low, I believe, with the lithium here. But anyway, you will get a brighter light with the lithium battery. Let's just turn off a little bit of light. Speaking of which, and see what this little light does. Here we have the low mode. And all you do is press the little button on the side. There's no rear clicky switch, so you just press the button on the side and you get instant light. And if we look around here, you can see that this is low, but it's pretty good, especially in pitch dark. You'll have no trouble finding anything. If I hit it again and just hold the button in, we are now on high mode. So this is now the top mode. And again, pitch black, you know, you can't go wrong on high mode. If I click it again, let's see, let's do this. Okay, there we are on high. If I hold it, there we are on medium. Okay, actually, I mean, if you keep holding the button, it'll just cycle through all the cycle through high, medium, and low if you keep holding it. If you turn it off, it'll just turn off, of course, and when you turn it on, it'll go back to the level it was on initially. So there you have medium, and then if I hold and click the button, there you're back on low again. Doesn't really have any special features. It doesn't do anything really crazy. It goes high, medium, low. It gives you the light you need, and that's pretty much it. See, every time I turn it off and on now, I'm just on low mode. I'd have to hold the button again and then go up to high mode. One of the other little features on this light, let me just stabilize here for a second. I want to show you this, is a little button on the, it's a little light on the side. And if you can see that right here, this is a low battery indicator. So when your battery gets low, this will flash red. Actually, it'll go continuous red. So it'll tell you that your battery is getting low. As I say, I use the lithium battery. I don't use an alkaline that much in here. I believe it will still light up on the alkaline, at least to let you know the battery is getting low, but it's more for a rechargeable battery. So I actually wouldn't count on it probably, because you don't need to know when it's getting low when you're on an alkaline. The battery just starts to run down anyway, and you start losing a bit of light. So it's basically on the rechargeable batteries that you do need this feature. Whether it be an NIMH or an alkaline battery, it will light up. And as soon as you, let's see, Actually, let's demonstrate the lithium while we're at it, since that'll give you a basic understanding of the type of light you're looking at. But as soon as you put in that lithium battery, you see that red light will flash to let you know that the battery is properly installed. Let's try that again. Sometimes they are a bit difficult getting on at first. I couldn't catch it that time. Sorry, but anyway, it does flash when you put the battery in. Anyway, here we have the lithium in here. This will be high, I believe, as it first turns on. Yep, there's the medium mode, and there's the low mode. So I think you can see the low mode is higher on the lithium than it was on the AA for sure. I can see brighter here even on low mode with this, and then here's the high mode on the lithium, so you do get a substantial higher amount of brightness. But, so, to sum it up, there you go. That is the Sunwayman C15A. It is a nice little compact light, and if you'd like to learn more about flashlights in general, I would visit the link below, which is lightsandgear.com. And there you'll find out about all kinds of lights and links to purchasing Sunwayman lights and a lot more at lightsandgear.com. Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you sometime soon.